Tired of dry, lifeless hair that just won't cooperate? Imagine restoring your strands to silky smoothness with a single, lightweight oil. OGX Renewing Plus Argan Oil of Morocco Penetrating Hair Oil Treatment promises just that, bringing back natural shine and strength no matter your hair type. I've seen firsthand how this 3-ounce bottle works wonders. When my hair was feeling brittle and dry, a few drops applied from mid-shaft to ends soaked in quickly, leaving no greasy residue, just soft, touchable strands. It's rich enough to deeply nourish, yet gentle enough for daily use. Plus, the fresh citrus and floral-woody scent is a subtle bonus that keeps hair smelling clean and inviting. What sets this oil apart? It's powered by cold-pressed Moroccan argan oil, a natural ingredient known for moisturizing and reviving hair. This blend penetrates the hair shaft to strengthen and smooth, improving elasticity and sealing in nutrients. And because it's free from parabens and sulfates, it's safe for all hair textures and moisture levels, even sensitive scalps. If you struggle with dry or damaged hair, this treatment helps restore softness and shine without weighing you down. It's ideal for anyone who wants nourished, healthy-looking hair with a natural boost. Worth a look if you want a product that works as hard as you do to keep your hair strong and radiant. Ready to transform your hair care routine? Try OGX Renewing Plus Argan Oil of Morocco Penetrating Hair Oil Treatment when you're ready to enjoy smoother, silkier locks that shine with health. Give your hair the care it deserves and feel the difference every day.